Good morning, my little ones. Welcome back again. Yesterday we learned in order 1 to 50. So today we will revise them and also learn missing numbers 1 to 50.
You have to repeat after me. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. This is 1 to 50.
You already learned concept of missing numbers in our previous session. Let us understand the concept of missing numbers.
Here is number 1515, and after this which number is missing? 16, 16, and that 17, 70. So we have to fill the missing numbers. Next 39, 39, 40, 40. So before 39, 39 which number is missing? Yes, 38, 38. Now you understand the missing numbers.
Now we will write missing numbers 1 to 50 in our maths classwork book.
We have to write in maths classwork book page number 105. We have to fill missing number 0 to 50 in our maths classwork book. But first we have to write today's date, that is 21-1-2021. So let's start. Now in this first line the numbers are 1, 2, dash 4, 5. So before 4 which number is missing? So let's check in our maths classwork book page. Before 4 there is number 3. So we will write number 3. Now 26 dash 28. So before 28 let's check. Yes, it is 27, 27. So we will write 27, 27. (26, 27, 28). Now after 28 which number is missing? Yes, it is 29, 29. So let's write 29, 29. 30, 30. Now 37, 37. After 37 which number is missing? So again we have to check in our classwork book page. 37, 37 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? Yes, 38, 38. So let's write. Three eight 38. Then 3 9 39. 40 40. After 40 40, yes, it is 41 41. So let's write. Now 41 41 dash 41 41 के बाद yes 42 42. 43 43. 44 44. 41 42 43 44 45. Now 2 to 22. After 22, which number is missing? Yes, it is 2 3 23. 2 3 23. Then 2 4 24. 2 5 25. And 2 6 26. 22 23 24 25 26. Now 1 4 14. So before 1 4 14, which number is missing here? So let's check. Yes, it is 1 3 13. So let's write 1 3 13. 14. After 14, it is 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. It is 3 4 34. 3 4 34. 35. 36. 37. Now 1 1 11. Before 1 1 11, which number is missing? Yes, it is 1 0 10. So let's write 1 0 10. 1 1 11. After that 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 10 11 12 13. So we have to fill the missing number. You have to complete homework book page number 62.
Let's do one activity.
In this activity, we will fill the stars by choosing the appropriate missing number. So let's start. Now, first there is number 14, then dash and 16. So which number is missing here? Is it 26 or 15? Yes, it is number 15. 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16. Now next. Now 4 0 40, 4 1 41 dash. Now again which number is missing here? Is it 3 2 32 or 4 2 42? Yes, it is 4 2 42, 40 41 42. Now in this star dash 2 4 24, 2 5 25. Now again which number is missing? Is it 2 7 27? No, it is 2 3 23, 23 24 25. Now 9 10 dash. So which number is missing here? Yes, it is 1 1 11, 9 10 11. Now 3 7 37 dash 3 9 39. So which number is missing? Is it 1 8 18? No, it is 3 8 38, 37 38 39. Now last dash 1 9 19, 20 20. So before 19 which number is missing? Yes, it is 1 8 18, 18 19 20.
Okay, children, keep practicing at home. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.